Welcome, HC Nation, to this Tutorial Tuesday, where we're going to be talking about explorers. Now, a lot of people have asked questions about explorers. There's actually a lot of information on our YouTube channel about explorers. So type in the search bar, Historical Conquest, Explorer, and you'll find a lot of the tutorials that we have there. This one is actually about John Cabot, and this is the question. Does he get 200 points every time he discovers a new land? For example, if he wins in a battle and claims the land, would he gain 200 morale points every time he does that? Actually, it's every time he discovers. That's the big word right there. The land's already been discovered. Somebody else discovered it. He didn't actually discover that land, so he would only get it for that first country that he discovers. There's a good question because this is one of the questionable cards where there was an issue. People had questions about that. So for Historical Conquest 2.0, we actually helped clarify that in the abilities and also symbols to tell you how many times you can use it. So this is a very valuable card, and actually his new ability is, I have to say, very sweet. It is very legit. So you got to check out his card in the 2.0 version. Otherwise, that's basically how you play that card. Discover means when he discovers a card, or when all these other ones say immediately discovers a new land, you discover a new land. But there's a lot of people in here that all explorers have the exact same ability. They find one new land. Now some of them say, Slocum immediately discovers a new land. Well, duh, right? Because all explorers find new land. Well, but he dies after 2 turns. Okay, so he's telling about the 2 turns, but that first part really does not have to be said whatsoever. So in the 2.0 version, that is also explained. There's a few of these that have those questionable things where they don't really need to say it because the rules state all explorers find one land. Even this guy, Laika, the dog. Yeah, he's a dog, but he still finds new land because he was an explorer into space. I don't know if you saw the Minisode Monday, This Week in History, like 2 weeks ago, but Laika, it talks about Laika, how he was shot up into space, the first mammal to go into space. Sad thing is, they could not bring him back. So Laika is still in a pod, most likely circling the world, and basically just be bones now. So I'm sorry, Laika, for having to go through that experience. It was a great thing that he was able to do. Sad that we couldn't bring him, Russia couldn't bring him back. But like I said, all explorers find new land. So thanks again for joining us on this Tutorial Tuesday. If you have any questions, add them to the comments below. Or email me at historicalconquest@gmail.com. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. If you have any comments or questions, add them to the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow, actually. Take care. Bye.